Corpse flower, a plant that smells of death. There are many plants that take root on our planet, ranging from diminutive flowers, like the delicate field pansy, Viola arvensis, barely larger than a thumbnail, to colossal giants, such as the giant Himalayan lily, Cardiocrinum giganteum, known for its towering flower stalks that can reach heights exceeding 10 feet. The world of plants is remarkably diverse, boasting approximately 400,000 species across various habitats and ecosystems. Among them is a plant you might reconsider giving on Valentine's Day, the corpse flower. This intriguing flower emits a foul odor resembling rotting meat when it blooms. Its botanical name, Amorphophallus titanum, translates from Greek to something akin to giant shapeless phallus, which aptly describes both its unique form and impressive size. It is also commonly known as Titan Arum. Contrary to its deceiving name, the corpse flower is not actually a single flower. What appears to be a massive bloom is actually an inflorescence, a cluster of many tiny flowers arranged on a central spike called a spadix, surrounded by a leaf-like structure known as a spathe. The plant relies on its massive underground corm, a large storage organ, to gather and store nutrients. Native to the rainforests of western Sumatra, Indonesia, the corpse flower thrives in tropical and subtropical lowland forests. In cultivation, it requires a humid environment with well-drained soil. The Titan Arum displays numerous impressive characteristics. The plant's tuber can produce either a single giant leaf up to 7 meters long, or one of the largest inflorescences in the world. The corpse flower presents an otherworldly spectacle. Its spathe, a deep velvety purple vortex, evokes the surreal image of an alien creature, with features reminiscent of fur, whiskers, and teeth. The life cycle of the corpse flower is as fascinating as it is unique. Emerging from a large underground corm that can weigh over 220 pounds, this plant is renowned for its unpredictable blooming pattern, which occurs only every few years. Approximately a week before blooming, the edges of its spathe begin to unfurl, signaling the imminent spectacle. When it finally blooms, the display is brief, lasting just 24 to 48 hours. At this point, the Titan Arum releases an odor reminiscent of rotting flesh. Because of its form, dark brown-purple hue, and foul smell, the flower imitates a rotting animal body, luring in tiny nighttime insects, especially carrion beetles and flesh flies. These insects move across the funnel-shaped spathe or vertical flower stalk to enter the inflorescence and deposit their eggs. During this process, they transfer pollen and fertilize the plants. However, the beetle larvae that hatch end up dying of hunger, as their parents were fooled by the appearance of the Titan Arum. Remarkably, the corpse flower also generates heat during its bloom, a process known as thermogenesis. This helps to disperse the odor more effectively, mimicking the warmth of a decaying carcass. Following its short-lived bloom, the inflorescence of the Titan Arum withers and collapses inward, concluding its fleeting appearance. However, the story continues with the development of small flowers that transform into vibrant red berries. These berries play a crucial role in the plant's reproduction, as they are eagerly consumed and dispersed by birds. During its resting phase, which can last anywhere from 2 to 15 months, the underground corm of the corpse flower begins to prepare for the next cycle. During this period, the corm accumulates energy and nutrients, storing them to support its next spectacular bloom. Most years, a massive feathery leaf emerges from the underground corm. This leaf acts like a solar panel, absorbing sunlight to replenish the corm's energy reserves, essential for sustaining the plant through its subsequent flowering phase. From its brief bloom to its strategic rest periods, the corpse flower's life cycle exemplifies the marvel of nature's timing and adaptation. When planning your next visit to a botanical garden, think about the excitement of anticipating the bloom of the corpse flower. How can you predict when the bud will start to blossom? When it's time for the Titan Arum to bloom, we look for 3 key clues. First, it rapidly grows several inches a day until it's ready to open. Then, it slows down. Second, the protective bracts around its base dry up and fall off one by one. Finally, the tight, frilly spathe around the spadix begins to loosen, revealing its stunning maroon color. While not an exact science, these signs give us a good idea of when the bloom will occur. Regrettably, the natural habitat of the corpse flower faces threats from deforestation and habitat loss. It is imperative now, more than ever, that we unite in conservation efforts to protect this rare and captivating plant. The genus Amorphophallus includes several other unique plants, such as the voodoo lily, which also emits a foul odor when in bloom, although not as potent as the corpse flower. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into nature's wonders. Have you ever seen a corpse flower in person or visited a botanical garden? Share your experiences in the comments below.